Everyone, my name is Hasibur. For this week, I've added more sounds for the added models that were added in the game, and also since I've learned Blender for this couple of weeks, I am going to make some models that may be added to the game. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Naurin Azad from Group 5. Last week we made a small part of our game and also the Sundarbans, but there were some problems with the player and the directions. So in this week I solved them and corrected them and made it from the beginning. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sardar Muktadir ibn Mohsin. This week for our project Capstone, I have made 3D models for our game project. So these are the few animals that I have made this week. So this is the deer, then sparrow, seagull, and owl, the eagle, the bear, pigeon, and a crow. Next week I'll be working on their animation. For this week I have only made the 3D models. Thank you.
Last week I worked with player behaviors. This time I updated player assistant AI. Now the player can be assisted by other animals like tigers, horses, etc. The assistant will help player to hunt the food. It will be tied if enemy attacks, so the player must switch first from one assistant to another. The camera will follow the player always. The game environment is now on a loop. It will repeat the environment. Next week I will work on enemy AI. Thank you.
Hello, this is Sabbir Ahmed. For this week, I have designed our background images and updated our animation images. I have also sketched the environment map and designed it in 3D with Blender and Unity. Finally, I have edited our journal videos and uploaded that in our channel Pentagon. Next week, I will complete the full environment map. Thank you.